Hello everyone, so welcome to English lesson with teacher again. So how are you today? I hope that everyone doing fine and stay safe, right? Okay, actually, how's the weather like today, everyone? Is it sunny? It is sunny? It is rainy? Or maybe windy? Yeah, okay. But here is sunny, so beautiful day today. Okay, so now let's move to our lesson. Today teacher gonna teach you about the thing that you like to do, right? Your favorite thing, your favorite hobby that you like to do when you have free time. Actually, teacher say about something that you like to do on the weekend. So you just think in your language. uh, One thing that I like to do when I have time, I have free time from my school, okay, or from your work, something like that. Okay, you have to relax. You have to go to somewhere that you like to go. Okay, now let's start with me. So the first that we are study that the phrase that gonna be connect together is I like. Okay, so I like too, and then include with the phrase that we call that a hobby, your hobby, the favorite thing that you like to do. So number one is, okay, the thing that you go and you ride on the horse. Okay, what we call that phrase? Okay, we call that go horse riding. Okay, go horse riding, because a that's one. I think that it feels so excited when you go horseback riding. Okay, so this is what we call to go horseback. Okay, riding. Okay, do you like to go to horseback riding? So this is the kind of a hobby, or the kind of thing that you like, that's so refresh, so enjoying. This is like for men's, or for women's also, they like to go to horseback riding at the farm, or at the field, or the place so surrounding with the fresh airs, okay, or near the mountain, something like that. Okay, so this one we call that to go horseback riding. So you need a horse, and you go there, make sure that the horse is safe. Like actually we have to ask the gardener, is the horse is okay, or you can go to the place that they yes, they take care of the horseback riding. Okay, we have that place also. Okay, number two. What is number two, everyone? Okay, let's see. uh, Something like you have a lot of friends, and on the weekends, you have something to say with them. You have something to eat special, something like have a special meal with them. Okay, so we call that meet friends. Okay, we call that to meet. I'm sorry, to meet friend. Do you have friend, everyone? Yes, sure. We have a lot of friends. Okay, especially at school. Okay, meet